I think I'm recording. Should have been doing this 10 minutes ago. Slowing it down, must be coming into traffic. It's a sharp turn, that's what it is. Wow, I wonder what the G's is on that.
They said 0.85 G's in that curve.
85 G's.
0.85.
Wow. It feels like...
That's 1.1 right there, bro. That's first time I ever had it to a 1 G.
I'm gonna put my arm back here and try to stop some of this stuff from sliding around back here. Well, you feel these tires working. Hell yeah. That's 2014.
C7 that we just kept up with, couldn't run off and leave me.